Hey folks, Bob with Currency Waves. Going to take a look at the Euro US dollar. This is the weekly chart. I really don't have any labels on it because there's so many things you can do with it. You can go with an A wave down, A, B, C, D, E for a triangle. You got C wave, but then where does this fit in? You can go A, B, C for A B wave, 1, 2, 3, and this would be a fourth wave triangle or lower. I just don't like this as a wave 1 at all. It's just too much overlap. Even as a leading diagonal, it looks pretty bad. Just slap a channel on there somehow. But if we just do the A, B, C here, then let's see, C equal A, it's already there. Next target down will be probably the 618 at 82. And if we put an impulse on there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5. Just drag this down here and put the 5 versus 1 through 3, and you're about 86, 65, depending on, of course, where this fourth wave ends. I'm going to pin that there for a second. 5 versus 1, almost the exact same spot. So we'll see how it plays out, but I am still looking at this as a triangle, whether it's a 4 or a B, yet to be determined. On the daily, what of this one? We got ABC down. And this could be the end of the D leg. Let's go C leg here. That was two perfect equal waves down here, but I think this is just an ABC for an A. We got a B wave going on, and we're coming down for more of the D leg before we get the E wave up. And that's kind of what I was looking at here is ABC. Then we got A, B, C on up to this 26.95 to fill in this, to backfill this area here from the spike down. If you go back and look through the charts, you won't see too many spots where there's not backfill. And what I mean by that is like this spot here, they almost got this one here, but not all the way. They certainly got this one. The markets always retrace. See this big old spike down, they got back up to that one. There's just a lot of them here. You know, we had this spike down, obviously we covered all that. They had this spike down, got right back up to almost to the pip. So, not saying that they won't leave it, obviously, with this here, but it's something I always look for is you get a spike down 90% of the time, and it's going to eventually get right back to it in the next week or two. Back to that weekly, I'm just going to get rid of all this. Oops, I didn't want to get rid of those lines. If we were looking at this as a triangle, this down here looks like a miniature of the other, except for one's contracting and one's expanding. you look at this, if you went A, B, C, D, E here, you'd have an expanding B wave triangle or X wave. Here you got A, B, C, D, just a contracting triangle. But there's some similarities here with the ABC up here. This is, you got the spike in the C wave here where you had the spike wave up at the beginning, but you've got a nice strong move down here in this B wave, nice strong wave move down here. You got A, B, I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, 5 swings for a W, X, Y, X, Z. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swings here. And now we're starting to move down. And it looks like we are right about here on this part. You have the A, B, C down or W, X, Y. You got low, lower high, lower low, low, lower high, lower low, and we're consolidating right here right now. Just something I noticed. Hopefully I'm not the only one that sees that. So yeah, this triangle I posted last week with A up, A, B, C, D, E, and then a C leg up. And that's kind of how I was thinking we were going to get to this 29.95. But 12.95, I'm sorry. You could also go this way with it. It's kind of a pick your poison thing. Now we got B wave complete and working on C wave down. And the C wave did not go above the A wave there, so then you can look at this as 1, 2, 3. You need a 4 and a 5 here, then 3 waves back up for a 2 before a blower. So I'm looking at above 1165, then we're going to go up to that, what was that, 1295, below 1.1, and we're going probably a lot lower, down maybe into the 1.07s. So, all right, that's what I'm looking at on that pair. Thanks.